In this video I will be showing you how you can create an offer so good that people will stop it to say no, and also how you can charge higher prices for doing the same stuff while getting your clients better results. So make sure you are watching till the end of this video. For those that don't know me, I'm Maciej Gawronski, founder of Gawronify, an agency where we have helped dozens of business owners to get millions of views and add extra 6 figures to the revenue. So now let's discuss it. What's even an offer? So you have your prospect current situation, you have your prospect desired situation, and the thing that takes your prospect from the current situation to the desired situation is your offer. For example, I have included this, what my offer looks like. The prospect current situation is a coach, consultant or info product business owner who is making around 10k per month, have a high ticket offer around 2k per month, have sold their offer several times and have delivered the results for the clients, and is tired of trying to get new clients and scale. So we are looking to their desired situation. So the same person, coach, consultant, info product business owner who wants to make 30-50k per month, spend 3 hours per month on client acquisition, and have sales calls so easy to close that even 7 years old could close. So switching the gap from the current situation to the desired situation is the offer. And the offer looks like: we help coaches and consultants to acquire 10 plus clients in 2 to 3 months using our done-for-you content and acquisition systems, guaranteed, without spending money on ads and entire day's own work. So the offer basically fills the gap from the current situation to the desired situation. So how we can create and structure our offer? The offer should contain every of those things in the terms of long form message. So this one is a long form message. We can have a long form message of our offer, we can have a short form message of our offer, and also we can have a pitch. So let's talk about the structure. So the first most important thing is the outcome. So the outcome is the promise that you are giving to achieve your prospect desired situation. So for example, it could be to increase the revenue by 10 to 20%. In my scenario, the outcome is to get 10 plus extra clients. The second thing is the time frame. So the time that it will take to achieve the desired outcome. It could be 90 days, 2 months, 1 year, 1 week, whatever it takes. The method that will be used to get the results, so how the outcome will be achieved, it could be done for you, done with you, coaching, consulting, do it yourself, of course, a risk reversal, so a guarantee or something that will take the risk from your prospect. It would be guarantee, paper result, many options here, and the qualification. So stating that the thing is for a certain group of people. And the most important thing about this one is like if someone that is qualified for a product. So let's assume, as the example, only for long-term players. If the person that is watching your offer, that is a long-term player, and he or she see that it's only for long-term players, they will think like it's more for them and they will be more likely to buy it. And the pricing, so basically how much it costs to get the outcome. So it could be 15k in one-time fee, it could be 2000 retainer, and most case scenario we aren't including the price in the long message that we share our offer. So how we can structure the full offer? It could be something like: I make it unreasonable for coaches not to increase the revenue by 10 to 20% in 90 days, completely done for you and guaranteed, only for long-term players not looking to get rich quick. So that's an example offer that we can use. And speaking of creating an offer, all of this information is taken from the book from Alex Hormozy, 100 Million Offers. So if you haven't read that book, I highly recommend reading it because it will change your life. So the value equation: the dream outcome multiplied by perceived likelihood of achievement, divided by time delay, multiplied by effort to sacrifice. And from that we have the value. So basic math: if the more we have in the top and the less in the bottom of the equation, then the value will be higher. So we have to think what we can make in our product to have the most value in the top and the less in the bottom. So let's say the time delay is 90 days. So we have to sit and think what we can do to have less time delay. Another example, the effort and sacrifice. So selling something that is done for you is easier than selling something that is done with you or do it yourself. If something is done for you, then the person have to take some effort and sacrifice to achieve the outcome. But if something is fully done for you, then the person doesn't have to give a shit about everything that comes to it. So that's more value for that person who actually buy the product. So we have less time delay and we have less effort and sacrifice, then we have the more value. And this is actually a second diagram for Alex Hormozy's book, and understanding this and switching your mindset will help you a lot. So this is a diagram that is showing the thing that happens with your client if you increase or decrease the price. So if we increase the price, the emotional investment of your client increase. If we increase the price, the perceived value increase. And that one is really important. If we increase the price, the results also increase. So by actually increasing the price, we are helping our clients. I can speak for myself because I have one client that I was working on the pay-per-result basis, and I was doing a lot of setups that I could easily charge like 2k or even 3k for that, and I was working on pay-per-result basis. And basically I shouldn't do that because it was done with you service, but I don't know why I did it on performance based. And what it ended up, it was I was taking a lot of my time and efforts to achieve the outcome that my client wanted, but he didn't do any single thing to help me with that. So I was doing all the job, and because of the client knew that he didn't pay anything and he only will pay if the result we achieved, then he wasn't committed to do something to achieve the outcome. But if he would pay $3,000 for it, then he would actually take the actions that are required to achieve the outcome. So if I would charge him $3,000 for that, the results would be much better. But I ended up going on pay-per-result basis, and yeah, it didn't went well. So in terms of your business, if you increase the price, of course you're getting more profit. The perceived value of yourself also increase. The results also increase. The service level also increase. And this is the one thing that Serge Gattari is talking a lot recently. So he basically switched from an agency model to more like a grow partner model, and he's charging really high ticket prices for what he's doing. For his main program, the $500,000 program, is something around 50-20k right now. So if someone pays him 20k, then what happened is we are having a really high opportunity to find the best talents in the market to deliver the thing that you want. So if I would charge for my service $500 and then I have a limited ability to hire talent, and from that my service levels are also really lower because I can't deliver something outstanding at $500. So if I'm charging my clients $3,000, $5,000 for my services, then there they can be 100% sure that the service levels will be at the highest point because I have the capital to afford the best talents of the market. So that was all for this video, and if you want to learn more about high ticket sales, how to get organic leads, how to grow social media organically, then feel free to join my free Facebook group where I share a lot of value with my community. So if you aren't there, then click the link in the description and I would love to see you there. So if you're a coach or consultant that is already making some content on social media and you're looking up to scale past 5k per month, then there's a link down in the description where you can book a free walkthrough of our process, how we deliver the stuff. There is a link down in the description where you can book a free walkthrough of our process, how we are delivering our clients results. And it's only for people that have already sold the high ticket offer several times and have a proof of concept and you have delivered your clients results. So that's all for this video, see you in the next one.